Next, I'd like to introduce a spray-up method. Spray-up method is also the open mold method, and there is a mold, and then apply the fiber and resin simultaneously by using a gun. So that gun cutting the fiber strand and spread to the mold, and also that gun apply the resin simultaneously. So this is one of the composite fabrication company, Toyu Giken. So almost 1971, they established the company for the FRP making, and they made this is the inside of their factory. You can see the very large composite panel or something products can be found, and this is a bathtub. Bathtub mold, and then this is also very large composite parts. Of course, if we make this kind of the large products by using steel, for example, very heavy, very, very heavy. But the composite material, particularly in this case, the unsaturated polyester resin plus glass fiber, even if the scale is very large, but the weight is very low. This is also one, also bathtub. And surface, we can apply the surface agent on the mold first before we apply the glass fiber. So therefore, surface of the handle up or spray up method is very, very clean and smooth. This is also the product. And this is the temping boring system. And this is some car body. And this is what, I'm not sure, sorry. This is the blade of the wind turbine. Oh, this is a train face. This is a ship mold. And this is also the products. And this is a very big one. This is also the train body. Color, we can change the color. We can add the color agent to the resin, and we can change the color, any kinds of the color. This is a airplane by the human motion. And this is also a very big one. This is also the bathtub. And then this is a hand wrap method in this company. He has probably over the 25 years experience. So that now he's doing impregnation. Impregnation means, once again, removing air from the products. But there is no data. He is doing this process according to by his feeling. So that removing the air is completed or not. So that depends on his feeling. So therefore, sometimes hand wrap products properties depend on this worker skills. this is bathtub uh, making. And then this is spray up method. So that there is a board that is a mold, and this white one is chopped glass fibers. So the glass fiber was cut by gun. That gun was held by these workers, and also not only the glass chopped glass fiber, but also the resin also applied to this mold. This is spray up method. So therefore, if we use a glass roving cross, later I'll explain, continuous glass fiber to the hand wrap method, or chopped random oriented glass mat to the used in the hand wrap method, we can use both. But in the case of the spray up method, we can use only chopped glass mat. So therefore, that is not a continuous fiber. That is a kind of a short fiber. So here you can see the gun, and to this gun, the fiber comes from the left side, and resin also applied to this gun, and chopped gun and resin simultaneously applied to the mold. So this is an explanation of the spray up method. Spray up process is similar is the hand wrap process. The difference comes from the application of the fiber and resin material in the mold to the mold. Spray up is upon the open molding composite fabrication process, where the resin and the reinforcements are spread onto the mold simultaneously. So according to the left side schematic drawing, so there is a gun, and then fiber and resin, and in this case hardener also applied simultaneously and spread out. And then these materials attached to the mold. The resin and glass may be applied to the separately or simultaneously chopped in a combination stream from the chopper gun. Workers roll out to the spray up to the compact to the laminate, wood forms, and other core material may be then added. So therefore, if we apply the wood on the mold and then spread up, so therefore that can become a sandwich structure. So the surface is glass, chopped glass composite, and inside core is wood. So if we apply the form instead of the wood, so we can also get a sandwich structure. So there is a very wide variety of the composite materials which can be fabricated by the spread up, but fiber length is not a continuous one. So this is a filament winding method. So there is a fibers, and then the fiber into the resin bars, and impregnated the resin, and then impregnated the fiber wound on the mandrel, and then we can get a pipe shape or other shape, and then we can change the fiber orientation state. So this is also the fiber and resin impregnated and impregnated fiber onto the mold. This is a filament winding method. And the next is autoclave method. Autoclave can apply the heat and pressure inside the materials. So when we use a prepreg, that is resin has already impregnated into the fiber bundle, but resin is not fully cured. That is B stage. B stage prepreg. Resin is B stage, and the fiber has already impregnated by resin. That prepreg stuck together and set into the that one into the autoclave, and the autoclave closed and apply the heat and pressure to that prepreg material, and then finally the resin become pure state. So this is an autoclave method. So mold is one side, and then stack the prepreg, and then we cover some release agent or release film and so on. So therefore, mold has only one side. So therefore, this is also open mold processing method. Autoclave method is very closely related to the carbon fiber composite, particularly structural composite materials. So the carbon fiber company, of course, sells the carbon fiber, but they also sell the prepreg. And aircraft company or sports goods company mainly buy these prepreg, and then they cut that prepreg into the desired shape, and then apply that prepreg onto the mold, and then apply the heat and pressure by using autoclave. So this autoclave is mainly carbon fiber composite material, particularly continuous fiber composite material, and continuous prepreg laminated material. That is autoclave is related to the carbon fiber composite material system. This is autoclave. This is not large one, small one, and very large one is used for the aircraft company. Very huge composite, carbon fiber reinforced composite can be fabricated by using a very huge autoclave method. Of course, you can easily understand fabrication cost is very high in the case of autoclave. And then you buy the prepreg from the company. Of course, that prepreg has a higher cost than the only carbon fiber, and applying heat and pressure is also, the running cost is also expensive. But their final products by using a carbon fiber is aircraft or some sports goods or something, or fishing rod something. So they can use a higher cost fabrication system. In the case of the hand wrap method, by using wood mold, but we need a technique of the workers, so we have to pay the money to the workers. So but that is still not expensive fabrication system. So each method, until now, I explained the hand wrap method, spray up method, and filament winding method, and autoclave method. So each method has advantage and also the disadvantage. And also we should consider the cost of the composite materials. So therefore we can select the fabrication system according to the requirement. That is a processing design, fabrication design, as I mentioned in the beginning of this lecture. So the material design, structural design, and the processing design. If we select this material and this dimension, and then probably we have to choose this one or this one or this one. We can select the processing method. In other words, we should select the one of them. There are many kinds of the fabrication system in the composite. So we should select